Hi guys, today in this tutorial we will learn about CSS animated social media icons. Now you can see the icons are glowing and icons names are visible. Let's start the code. First of all, we want to create a HTML template and title is CSS animated social media icons. Let's open your browser, create a new tab, and we want to search font awesome 5 CDN link. This is the link for font awesome CDN. Copy this link, close the tab and paste it. Inside the body we wanted a div with class name Twitter. Inside this icon will be Twitter icon. Let's copy this div and paste it 2 times. We want to change this WhatsApp and select the Twitter, and we want to change this YouTube. Save the file, refresh. Now the icons are visible. Let's link our style sheet index.css and start to style our web page. Margin 0, padding 0 and box sizing is border box. Save the file, refresh. Now the margin is okay. Next we want to style our body. Display flex, justify content space around, align item center, height 100 VH, width 100% and background color is #262626FF. Save the file, refresh. The background color is okay. Next we want to style our div. Inside this, display flex, justify content center, align item center, position relative and height 100 pixel, width 100 pixel, transition 1 second, and we wanted border radius that was 50% and cursor will be pointer. Next icon font size will be 50 pixel. Save the file, refresh. Now the icon size is okay. Next we want to style class Twitter. Inside this, background color Doja blue and box shadow 1 pixel 60 pixel and color is Doja blue. Copy this and paste it 2 times. We want to change this WhatsApp and color is lime and this class name is YouTube. Color is #F7023F78. Save the file, refresh. The icons are glowing. Let's create div after. Inside this, content, display block, position absolute, height 50 pixel, width 150 pixel, left 0 and font size 30 pixel, font weight bold and font family is cursive, transition 1 second, opacity 0 and z-index will be -1. Next we want to style class Twitter after. inside this content, Twitter, and icon color is Doja Blue. Let's copy this and paste it 2 times. We want to change this WhatsApp, and content is also WhatsApp, and icon color is lime, and this class name is YouTube, and content is YouTube, and we want to change this icon color. Copy this color and paste it. Next, we want to style class Twitter over. Inside this, background color will be transparent and icon color is Doja Blue. Box shadow will be none. Copy this and paste it 2 times. We want to change this WhatsApp, and icon color is lime. This class name is YouTube, and we want to copy this color and paste it. Save the file, refresh. Now you can see the hover effect is working nice. Next, we want to style div over after. Inside this, opacity will be 1 and transform translate X, that will be 100 pixel. Save the file, refresh. Now you can see the smooth hover effect. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.